Stains are one of those everyday problems that feel impossible to avoid. Whether it's coffee on the carpet, red wine on a couch, pet accidents, or food spills, most stain removers promise results but fail when it really matters. Scrubbing, bending, soaking, and repeating the same process again and again becomes exhausting. That is why professional cleaners rely on a different solution. Campanelli Pro Series Stain Remover was originally developed for professional cleaning crews and is designed to eliminate stains in seconds with no scrubbing and no bending. It promises fast, effortless, professional-grade stain removal at home. What is Campanelli Pro Series Stain Remover? Campanelli Pro Series Stain Remover is a professional-grade aerosol spray originally developed for commercial cleaning crews. It is designed to remove stains at the root by using a revolutionary crystallizing formula that lifts stains directly out of carpet and fabric fibers. Unlike traditional spray cleaners that only treat the surface of a stain, Campanelli Pro penetrates deep into the fibers and breaks the stain down into dry crystals that can be easily vacuumed away. The result is a completely clean surface with no residue, no odors, and no sticky buildup. This is the same formula professional cleaners have trusted for over 30 years to handle their toughest commercial and residential jobs. Now it is available for home use, giving regular households access to the same powerful technology used by professionals. It works on all types of stains, including coffee, wine, pet accidents, food spills, ink, makeup, grease, blood, dirt, and even old set-in stains that have been sitting for months or years. How does Campanelli Pro work? Campanelli Pro uses a powerful aerosol delivery system combined with a crystallizing stain-lifting formula. When sprayed onto a stain, the formula penetrates deep into the fibers and attaches directly to the stain particles. Instead of spreading the stain or pushing it deeper like traditional cleaners, Campanelli Pro separates and emulsifies the stain at the molecular level. As it breaks the stain down, it transforms the stain into a dry pile of crystals that sit on the surface of the fabric. Once the stain is crystallized, all that is required is a simple vacuum or sweep. The stain is completely removed from the fiber instead of being masked or diluted. This process eliminates the need for scrubbing, soaking, or repeated treatments. The powerful foaming action ensures that the formula reaches the root of the stain, not just the surface. This is why Campanelli Pro is able to remove even old set-in stains that other cleaners cannot touch. Features and benefits of Campanelli Pro Series Stain Remover. One of the biggest advantages of Campanelli Pro is that it eliminates stains instantly without any physical effort. There is no need to bend down, scrub, or apply pressure. You simply spray the stain and let the formula do it. It works on virtually every type of stain. Pet accidents, wine spills, coffee, juice, grease, dirt, makeup, ink, markers, blood, food spills, and mystery stains can all be removed using a single product. Campanelli Pro is safe to use around children and pets. It contains no harsh chemical odors and leaves behind no sticky residue. After treatment, your carpets and upholstery remain clean, fresh, and soft. The extra-large 18-ounce can is the largest aerosol stain remover Campanelli has ever produced. One can last through multiple stain emergencies, making it far more cost-effective than calling professional cleaners for every accident. It works in minutes rather than hours. The stain breakdown process begins immediately after spraying, allowing you to handle accidents as soon as they happen. Campanelli Pro also saves hundreds of dollars in professional cleaning bills. A single professional carpet cleaning session can cost between $200 and $400, while Campanelli Pro allows you to handle multiple emergencies for a fraction of that cost. It is backed by a 55-day money-back guarantee and a lifetime warranty, making it a completely risk-free purchase. How to use Campanelli Pro Series Stain Remover. Using Campanelli Pro is extremely simple and requires no special skills or equipment. First, you spray the product directly onto the stain. The powerful aerosol system ensures even coverage and deep penetration into the fibers. Next, you allow the formula to work. You will see the stain begin to lift as it transforms into dry crystals on the surface of the fabric. Finally, you vacuum or sweep away the crystals. Once removed, the stain is completely gone with no residue left behind. That is all it takes. No bending, no scrubbing, no soaking, and no repeated applications in most cases. Campanelli Pro Series Stain Remover Pros and Cons. Campanelli Pro offers professional-grade stain removal without the cost or inconvenience of hiring a cleaning service. It works quickly, requires no physical effort, and removes even old set-in stains. It is safe for use around children and pets, leaves no harsh chemical odors, and does not damage carpet or upholstery fibers. The large can size provides excellent value and long-term use. The only potential downside is that it requires a vacuum or broom to remove the crystallized residue. However, this is a small step compared to the hours of scrubbing required by traditional cleaners. Another limitation is availability. Campanelli Pro is not typically found in regular retail stores and must be ordered online. Price and where to buy. Campanelli Pro Series Stain Remover is available exclusively online through the official website. It is not sold in regular stores, which ensures you receive the authentic professional-grade formula. The standard single can is priced at $24.99 plus shipping. Bundle options are also available, including buy 2 get 1 free and buy 3 get 2 free packages with free shipping included. Each purchase is backed by a 55-day money-back guarantee and a lifetime warranty. Orders are shipped within 24 to 48 hours, and most customers receive their package within 3 to 5 business days in the United States. Conclusion: if you are tired of scrubbing stains, bending over carpets, and wasting money on ineffective cleaners, Campanelli Pro Series Stain Remover is the solution you have been looking for. This professional-grade aerosol spray removes stains at the root, works in seconds, and requires no physical effort. It is safe, powerful, and trusted by professional cleaners for over 30 years. With its fast results, large can size, and risk-free guarantee, Campanelli Pro makes stain removal easier, faster, and more effective than ever before.